All right, look, I gotta finalize this merge. I was gonna meet up with Gamal, but he's MIA. I gotta get it done. All right, let's just get in there. So what I'm gonna be doing is there's some issues on main that was kind of illuminated by this PR. I'm not gonna fix those in this PR. I'm gonna create a separate issue for that. But the first thing we need to do is test lang chain so we can get the test to pass, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to essentially put these into I really, really don't like the way these tests are designed, but because they're incredibly time consuming and a little bit overkill. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in a try skip block. Let's just put the whole bad boy in there. So we'll try this. And then accept. Essentially, I could do a pass, but I'll do a skip test. Self.skip test. Test skip during, no, due to that other issue on main, go fix it. On main, go fix it. All right, cool. So I'll do that there. So that's on test print. And then we also need to do it here on test print pi. Oh, there's Gamal. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm gonna call him after I do this bad boy here. He just got on. So I'm gonna just hop on real quick. Let's just get this accept block going. I'm gonna run the I'm gonna run these tests to make sure they pass. What is it? Oh, and he's calling. All right, I'll just hop on with him. Yo, Gamal, how's it going, dude?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Good, man. Good. Yeah, I'm actually trying to get the first merge in of the type fuse pass. So let me just run this test real quick, and then I'll bring you up to speed. Oh, let me share a screen. Here. So, I'm on stream, by the way, so FYI. Anyway, so I'm gonna run a test. By test, actually, let's do a jack queen. Test just. So basically, while that's running, I'll just show you. So I discovered that on main, there actually are there's some files when you jack check it, it essentially breaks. So, and I'll just tell you what I know so far.
So,
So,
which files?
oh, what's that?
Which files? So I can like.
Yeah. Yeah. So names and references.jack is one of them. Does the test pass for you? Have you it on your computer? Is the branch is a PR merge ready?
No.
Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah. Go ahead.
okay, I'm checking it. So. So yeah, run.
Yeah. So I can show you here. Yeah. I can show you here, right? So when I run jack check, and this is fine. This is on main, so this has been around for a long time. So if you run jack check on names.references.jack, you get this error. And so I looked into it for a little bit, and I kind of found a little bit like where it might be tripping up. So I'll show you in a minute. I'll show you right now. So basically, in the type check pass, and this is just the type check stuff. In the type check pass, in this semantic analysis for SEC, so it's from here that it's breaking. So if you look at, where is it? So like right here, This is the semantic analysis for SCC here. And then when you go in, what's going on is it actually dies on this plugin hooks. And this plugin hooks, which is here, apply class plugin hooks. So I went down a little further, and in apply plugin hooks, we have this hook part. Where is the hook part? I mean, I could just click it. Well, like here, right? So apply hooks to class. There's this hook. Now, then you keep going, right? And then there's this data. There's this data class stuff. Wait. Yeah, this data class stuff related to the post init in info names. This particular class does have a post init function. So so if you look at the, let me see if I still have it. If you look at the, oh geez, let's do a jack run on it, so we can get the pie. We can get the debug pie. It's right here. So when you look at it, we have a post init in the class in that example, and it's an init. So this example isn't very good code because they don't, whoever created it doesn't really fully understand how post init works because they have an init here and then they're calling post init. It's fine. It's a great test case because it should be fine to do. It's legal. So the code looks like this, right? Where it has this post in it, it has a data class that's from here. And it seems like the error, if we go straight to the location of the error, it's here where it's prepare class namespace. And this is coming off of the add method to class. And so it's something to do with, there's a plugin generated, I think that has to do with the post in it stuff. And then it sees that that plugin generated is a funcdef, and then it tries to remove it from the body of the class defs or something. So it's something related to, I think, attempting to remove this. That's breaking somewhere in there. So this is on main. So I was gonna merge without fixing this first. I think we could create a separate issue to fix this, but I guess the thing I wanted to do is, okay, so so the tests pass, even though there are, just to bring you up to speed, right? Line tools, oh no, test line tools. Where is it? Oh geez. What's this, common? No, I don't want to do anything there. In here, so basically there are these two tests that fail because they run on reference, and then they run this code. They run the AST tool on this code, so these break because now these are running through the type check path. So that's fine. I just have a skip test for now here, but I guess my ask is when I run a pre-commit. So if I run a pre-commit, so I'm guessing you don't have pre-commit installed on your repo, but if I do pre-commit run all files, basically we just have a bunch of, we have some type errors. These are the type errors. So they're not that many of them, so we should fix those. But we also have all these linting errors. Yeah. So do you have time now to like knock this out, or because I was actually in the process of about to do it myself real quick, but of course, you wouldn't be able to do it faster since, these are kind of code that you wrote.
Okay, so yeah, I will check them. Right.
Okay. Cool.
Okay, so I'll check this. I guess those arrows are from Flake.
Yeah, these are the Flake 8. Yeah, these are the Flake 8. But it's a specially configured Flake 8. By the way, you know how to install the pre-commit, right? It's super helpful. I'll send you a link.
Yeah, I will check it. I will check it.
Yeah.
I guess it's here in the repo readme to how to install.
Let me see. Let me check. It should be, but it may not be. I have it in the docs. It's in the docs. I could send you a link to the docs that talk about it, but it doesn't look like it's in the README of the thingy. I really should put it in README. That's a good point. But I'm gonna send you a link now in Slack to there's a doc for contributors. Contribute pop pop pop. Okay, here. Okay, so check out this link. I just dropped it in the Slack. Basically, if you scroll down to the second code block, it shows you how to install pre-commit. Yeah, it's super easy, and then you can run, pre-commit, run all files. This is a command that you could just essentially run it manually. It automatically runs when you do a git commit, but you can run it automatically, manually this way to see exactly what the.
To run it manually, so I need to call pre-commit, then not.
Oh, then run all files. I'll put it in
that.
this. Yeah, I'll put this in the Slack as well. So let's do that. Okay, cool. All right, so work on that, and I can get this merged. So basically, there's a number of big PRs I'm trying to merge today in a particular state because there may be conflicts, and I want to just quickly get everybody on the same so that we don't have this kind of like epic divergence going on. So yeah, anyway, awesome. So I'll be here working on some other PR stuff. Just Slack me if you have any questions, dude. Like if there's any types that trip you up, like I'm pretty good at this type stuff, so feel free to call me. You know what I mean? If any of the like typers like trip you up or anything, or just hit me up in the Slack. Beautiful. Awesome. Cool. Awesome, man. All right, cool. Thanks so much, dude. Yeah, keep me posted. Awesome. Yep. Talk soon. Awesome. Yep. Later. Cool. All right, I'm gonna go do my coffee thing. I'll be back on after continuing the grind. So, cool. Peace.